Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has joined the Jamaica Constabulary Force in rejecting claims that the government has suspended overtime payments for the police.
Speaking in Hanover on Thursday, Mr. Holness described the comments as foolish, adding that the JLP has provided the largest wage increase ever to public sector workers. Prime Minister Andrew Holness in Lucy, Hanover on Thursday night, hours after the special elections which saw election day workers and members of the security forces voting. He used the opportunity to address an issue which surfaced about the police earlier this week.
Someone sent me a fake voice note saying that policemen will not receive their overtime pay for some number of weeks. Not no go so. Somebody chose to create mischief at this point in time. And as I received the note and I listened to it, I just kissed my teeth and said foolishness.
The police high command also rejected the concerns that were initially raised on social media. In a statement on Thursday, the JCF said at the end of February 2024, over $651 million in overtime payments was disbursed to members, and the timely and accurate payment of overtime will continue. In going further, Mr. Holness recounted a recent conversation he had with a police officer.
He said, Prime Minister, the biggest increases that members of the security forces have ever gotten is under the Jamaica Labour Party government.
And not only that, Mr. Holness indicated that the conversation then progressed to the public sector wage negotiations under the last two People's National Party government.
He made the point to me. He said that whenever the PNP gave a wage increase, little bit after that, them take it back with a wage freeze. You check the record on that. Every minute is a wage freeze. You know why? Because they couldn't manage the economy. Everything that you want to happen, whether it's road, water, more pay, deal with crime, whatever it is, collect your garbage, you must have a good economy.
Mr. Holness was making the last-minute rounds in the hotly contested divisions in Hanover, the municipality which was one of the closest calls in 2016. The JLP won 3 seats to the PNP's 4.